Hello and welcome to the Trinity Stamps YouTube channel. My name is Elyse and I'm a design team member here at Trinity Stamps. Today we are going to make some really easy shape cards using the Your Number One die set. Here's a look at the cards that we are going to make today. I just love how these little foam finger cards come out, and let's get into it. So it's a really short video today. These are really simple cards. I'm just going to be using that large die which cuts out the shape of the card. I think it's really fun to do shape cards. It's not something that you see all the time, and it just makes it extra fun for the recipient to get in the mail. I'm going to run these through my Gemini Junior die cut machine, and I'm just using some purple tape to adhere these down. For the white, I'm using 110-pound Neenah Classic Crest Solar White cardstock. I've got that little star that I'm going to cut out of a little sliver of leftover yellow cardstock. And I've got some navy cardstock that I'm going to use to cut out the foam finger accent and the words. So I'm just going to be using some liquid glue to adhere down the little foam finger outline. And once that is all down, I can move on to adhering the words. Now, my tip for adhering any type of word where you've got little letters is to take the outline, or I guess the negative of the die cut, and tape it down where you want it to go, and then glue in the positives. You'll get the spacing right this way. Make sure everything is straight. It's just my favorite little trick when I'm using letter dies, just so that everything gets down right. So I'm using that same purple tape, and I've got my little letters here all left on my cutting plates, and I'm just using that same liquid glue, Connect glue from Gina to add down my little letters here, and that way I'm going to get them all perfect. I'm using like a little jewel pickup tool thing because these are pretty small. I love this set because there's so many different words and phrases that you can use. There's a lot of die cut words that you can use to make this your own. So I've got You're My All, and then I just need to add the little star for All Star. I think this is like a great all occasion saying, just to send somebody some love and let them know that you're thinking of them. And that completes the first card. This is a really quick video, you guys, today. Got a quick one. Now I will move on to doing the second card. So this time I'm going to use a colored cardstock for the base and white for all of the accents. So I do wanted to quick show this. You can use your bone folder to reinforce that score, and then you just need to fold this down and crease it to get your card. So much fun. So now I'm just gluing down the sentiment that I'm using, which is number one friend. This foam figure is so much fun. It reminds me of going to baseball games when I was a kid. And there's so many great sentiments. Like I said, you can use this for Father's Day, for, number one mom, number one coach, number one teacher. There's so many things that you could say and to different people and let them know that they are number one to you. And I always think that we could send cards like that out. So once I get this glued down, that completes my projects for today. Super simple, super quick to make. I hope that you enjoyed watching this short little video and these cards that are just all die cuts. So much fun. So here's one last look at the cards. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you want to see more from the Trinity team, be sure to subscribe to the Trinity YouTube channel, give this video a like, and hit the bell so you get notified every time we upload a new video. Have a great day.